Use a spray bottle to wet the sampling surface. This will help suppress any fibres that may be released during sampling. Ideally, use smooth-nosed pliers with no teeth, but alternatively you can place a wet wipe in the jaws of the pliers. This ensures that any loose asbestos material does not get trapped in the pliers' teeth. Sample by carefully taking a small piece from a corner or damaged section and wrap within a wet wipe. Place the sample and wet wipe into a small labelled zip seal bag and place inside a second labelled bag so that the sample is now double bagged. Ensure the sampling tool is thoroughly decontaminated with wet wipes following sampling. Any waste generated from the sampling should be treated as asbestos waste and placed in the red asbestos waste sack. Finally, seal your sampling points with a suitable paint or tape.